Hey, Mike with Grill Cleaning Pro. Boy, I'm here with this big smoker. Oh gosh, this thing's a beast. I want to see if I can't flip this around. I can almost fit my entire body in there. It's so large. Oh my gosh. Get all those grates out there. Try to figure out how to get this as empty as possible and see if I can't get it cleaned up. So this thing is a beast. So I'm going to give myself a challenge here. I am going to try to get this done in 2 hours. Outside, inside, 2 hours. So that's my goal here. I want to see if I can't achieve it, and we'll see what the clock tells me at the end. Hey, Mike with the Grill Cleaning Pro. Hey, I am exactly just a few minutes over an hour on this. So I have already cleaned the inside. I'm going to turn this around. I have cleaned the inside. Not bad. I mean, I tell you, if there wasn't a zombie apocalypse, I would be hiding in this thing. This thing is a monster. It's a beast. So got all that cleaned out. Might just do one more water wipe down on this and try to get rid of some of the couple little grease streaks, water or wiping streaks. But other than that, got the outside wiped down, and still a little bit left to do. Got some cleanup down there on the ground to do, but other than that, so I'm an hour in. I am done with the inside. I'm technically done with the outside. I can do a little bit more of a final detailing. So all I have is the grates to do, which if I go do those now, it'll take me roughly about maybe 15 minutes to do the grates. They are not that bad. So those are just kind of doing a quick scrub down. So anyways, that's where I'm at. Hey, I am done with the grill, and or smoker I should say, and I said I was going to try to get it done in 2 hours or less, and the reality is that I was able to meet my goal. And I didn't do this for just to show off. I did it because, you know, the reality is that I think as grill cleaners we can sometimes make our jobs and our lives a little bit more difficult by not setting these little goals for ourselves. You know, if you're new into grill cleaning, you know, sometimes you look at something like this and you just it's intimidating. It's like, this thing's so big, how am I going to you know, get through this? And I want to talk about that in just a second. But you know, the reality is that I've had some distractions. I also have another tech just right around the corner doing the grill at this location, so I've had to go back and forth with him. I've had some phone calls to deal with, so I've had some distractions here. So right now I am basically at an hour and 35 minutes, somewhere in that neighborhood, without all those distractions. With the distractions, I'm right under 2 hours here. So again, I met my goal. I took a look at the grill and I said that I think I can get it done in 2 hours, and I was able to achieve that. Now, one thing to keep in mind on a grill like this, or I keep calling it a grill, it's a smoker. We all know it's a smoker. I'm just, you know, if I keep saying grill, I'm going to keep saying grill. But on something that's large like this, before I came and cleaned this, I knew what it looked like. I was a little intimidated on the size of this smoker. But once I got into it, like I told my tech yesterday, because we had a big 48-inch wide grill to do yesterday, and it was just a massive grill. In fact, he's got the same grill right now that he's doing. But all you can do is start whittling away at it. If you need to start cutting it down into bite-sized chunks, essentially, start taking, you know, you got to do the grates. Do the grates, get them out of the way. You know you got to scrape, get it out of the way. Vacuum, get it out of the way. Start whittling it away. Start chopping it down into little bite-sized chunks, and sooner or later you're going to take this massive, intimidating thing, and it's going to not feel so intimidated. So anyways, that's my suggestion on these big old grills. Smokers, doesn't matter what you're doing, just whittle it away. start in sections. Do a small section at a time instead of thinking about I got to do this whole thing. Start just doing it in smaller sections. So anyways, was able to get it done in 2 hours or less. Achieved my goal, and the reality is I wanted to meet or beat that because it's a hot day out. I don't want to be out in the heat all day long. So if I can do anything in my power to allow myself to get done sooner today, get home sooner, and get out of the heat, man, I'm all for that. So anyways, hope you all have a great day. Hope you're cleaning some great grills for yourself, and look forward to talking to you later.